Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use data from Google Forms. First, navigate to your Google form and click on the Responses tab. Here, you'll see a summary of all submissions. To unlock more powerful analysis, click the green Google Sheets icon. This action will either create a brand new spreadsheet or link to an existing one, automatically populating it with all your collected data, ready for deeper exploration. Once your data is in Google Sheets, you can begin your analysis. Start by sorting columns to group similar responses or filtering to focus on specific criteria. For instance, you might filter by a particular answer to a multiple-choice question. Use basic formulas to calculate averages for numerical inputs or count responses, providing immediate insights into your data set. You can also generate simple charts to visually represent your findings. To gain even deeper insights, consider using advanced features in Google Sheets. Pivot tables are incredibly powerful for summarizing large datasets, allowing you to quickly identify relationships between different questions. Conditional formatting can visually emphasize important data, like responses above a certain threshold or specific keywords. Remember, you can easily share your analysis with colleagues, setting permissions for viewing or editing, fostering collaborative data interpretation. Finally, the most crucial step is to translate your data analysis into actionable insights. Look for clear patterns, identify any recurring issues, or spot unexpected opportunities revealed by your responses. Based on these findings, formulate concrete conclusions and recommendations. This data-driven approach empowers you to make informed decisions, refine strategies, and implement improvements, ensuring your Google Forms data serves a meaningful purpose.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.